Jesus and the promise of paradise. When Jesus turned to the thief on the cross and said, "Today you will be with me in paradise." Luke 23:43. He wasn't only promising a location after death, he was opening a dimension of revelation. In Hebraic thought, paradise and Pardes share the same linguistic root, both describing the garden of divine mysteries. Jesus was not only offering forgiveness, but inviting the repentant thief into a realm of restored communion, to walk again with God, as Adam once did. This statement sits beautifully within the sod level of interpretation. Beyond the literal promise of heaven lies a revelation. Redemption restores access to divine intimacy and understanding. The thief, who saw what others missed, entered revelation before entering eternity.